Okay, hello everyone. My name is Imandiro Medan Paramarta, and today I will tell you, I will explain about my final test to research question, correlation, and the research question is there any significant correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation? The hypothesis and the HO. There is no significant correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation, and the HA, there is a significant correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation. And first, uh, the normal distribution test for every variable, and the first test of normality. If p-value is 0.05, the data is not normally distributed, and you can use main with new. And if p-value 0.05, the data is normality distributed, use t-test. And this is the data for test of normality. And it can be seen from the data of normality test is the Kolmogorov-Chernyakov, Smirnov p-value. Both are the same at 0.200. And this one, and which means p value above 0.05, the data is normality distribute, and in the Shapiro-Wilk section, in the Shapiro-Wilk, p value is above 0.05, and the data is 0.050 for writing achievement, and 0.499 for learning motivation. And then you can see the histogram. Histogram for writing achievement is a normal distribute, and the histogram for learning motivation is a normal distribute. Okay, next, the scatter plot. From the data above, it can be seen the scatter plots are positively linear even though they only increase by 0.01%, which means that the correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation is a positive correlation. You can see that 0.01%. And then next, the second test is the linearity test. Deviation from linearity, if p-value 0.05, the data is not significant, and if p-value is above 0.05, the data is significant. And the linearity, if p-value 0.05, the data is significant, and if p-value above 0.05, the data is not significant. You can see the ANOVA table. Based on ANOVA table, in deviation from linearity is significant because the data, you can see that deviation from linearity, the data is 0.608. It means the data is above 0.05, and the linearity, the data is not significant because data is 0.885. So I should use a Spearman correlation. And now we go to the hypothesis testing, a correlation table. And this is the table of non-parametric correlation. Uh, use the Spearman's correlation, and based on non-parametric correlation, the linearity is not significant because the data is 0.9, sorry, and 0.931. It means the data is above 0.05. You can see the data is 0.931, and this is 0.931. The conclusion: based on the data, there is no significant correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation. Okay, I think that's all uh, explain the correlation, uh, search for significant correlation between writing achievement and learning motivation. Thank you, guys.